Hi everyone, welcome back to Barbara's Home Sweet Home. You know, if you're anything like me, you absolutely hate lugging around a heavy, overpacked bag. Regular wet wipes are bulky. They always seem to dry out before you can even use them. And traditional towels just take up way too much space when you're trying to travel light. Well, I found the perfect little fix that has completely changed how I pack. Check these out. They're the Ourmed Life Compressed Towel Tablets. Look at how tiny these are. They literally start out pocket size, so it's just incredibly effortless to just toss them anywhere. I like to keep a few scattered around, some in my purse, some in my backpack, some in my gym bag, and I always keep a handful hidden in my car console. Because every single towel is individually wrapped, you never have to worry about getting them dirty or messy. They stay completely fresh and sealed until you're ready to use them. Now, the coolest part is watching them work. You can use them totally dry right out of the wrap, but if you add just a teeny splash of water, look at that. They instantly expand. It takes just a couple of seconds, and that little coin turns into a full 12 by 10 inch face towel. So cool. The material is so thick and soft, and it's completely lint-free. You get great coverage for your face and your body. They don't rip or shred apart like a cheap paper towel would. Honestly, these are an absolute must-have if you do any kind of hiking, camping, or road trips, airport traveling. They're also a total lifesaver on long flights, or just have in your emergency kit. Honestly, they're completely odorless and so gentle on your skin, which I love. They're made from a plant-based viscose material that's soft, durable, and naturally breaks down over time when disposed of. It's just a really smart, clean product. If you want to grab a pack for your next trip, then you can find them right here on my storefront. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching Barbara's Home Sweet Home, and I'll see you guys in the next video.